Up next at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2017 XL 1200C. 1200 Sportster Custom in color black. This bike is perfect for the shorter rider with the low seat height and the comfortable pullback handlebars. The 1200cc engine and a 5-speed transmission. Previous owner installed custom grips as well as roll and sands, clutch lever, and front brake lever. This bike has only 4,768 miles as of right now. Very low miles, which is why it looks so great. It's fresh out of detail, fresh out of service, and ready for a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.